was there at the back.
Fight in the ranks.
You were in Kingston, right? So we need to prime and load.
Prime and load.
The British are coming.
Yeah, they're right there. Farb, farb, defarb. Shoulder fire locks when loaded. Yes, is the
Shoulder when ready would be the expression that you use. You would then indicate that this is a street fire drill, and then give the order to make ready. I'm going to be the only one that does that though. And then I go to the back of the line and then take everybody through the motions, make ready, present, and you just stay at the front and we're going to orderly.
Sergeant, we doing sections of 2 or sections of 1?
Just sections of 1. Give the men as much time to reload as possible, and if we're doing well, then maybe we break into 2.
Well, that's not going to rush them. All right.
Justin, I have a question. After you...
Don't ask questions.
After I fire, you wait for his order to make ready and present, and then once you fire, you go to the back.
So how do you specify that this is a...
You would say street fire drill, make ready. And
Street fire drill, make ready, present, elevate, fire!
you just need to be make ready, present.
Make ready, present, elevate, fire!
So this is the way the line is going backwards unless we're moving forward.
Why are we moving
Why is he
forward?
walking so far?
Who gave you the order to move forward?
Fire!
This is more like the parapet fire.
Make ready,
Go out 6 feet, go out 6 feet.
There you go. Why are you moving forward?
6 feet.
present, fire!
Get back. Get back. Get back. Hustle, 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 hustle.
Make ready,
Fire from where you are. All right.
present, fire!
To the back. Hustle, hustle, hustle. Prime
ready.
and load. Prime and load.
Present, take your hammer saw off.
There we go.
Fire!
Good. Get back. Prime and load.
Make ready, present, fire! Make ready, present, fire! Make ready, present, fire! Make ready, present, fire! Make ready, present, fire!
Back.
Make ready, present, fire! Make ready, present,
Still prime your
fire!
Prime
Make
load.
ready, present, fire! Make ready, present, fire! Make ready, present, fire! Make ready, present, fire! Make ready, present, fire! Prime and load. Make ready, present, fire! 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 Make ready,
Wipe them down. Wipe them down.
present, fire! Load. Make ready, present, fire! 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 Hold it up, hold it up. Keep firing. Company, halt!
Press.
So,
Call out street fire drill.
street fire drill. Make ready. Present. Elevate. Fire! Make ready. Present. Elevate. Fire! Don't step forward.
I'm not.
Make ready. Present. Fire!
Double row.
Make ready. Present. Elevate. Fire! Make ready. Present. Elevate. Fire. We had one go off early and the other didn't fire. Make ready.
How fortunate.
Present. Fire.
That sounds cool.
Make ready. Wait.
No.
Okay. Present. Fire. Make ready. Present. Elevate. Fire. Make ready. Present. Fire.
We actually know what we're doing.
Make ready.
Maybe we actually will win this.
Present. Fire. Fighting an invisible enemy. Make ready.
Oh, they're right there. Just they're in the shade.
Present.
They're like, what are they doing?
Fire. Make ready. Present. Elevate. Fire. Make ready. Present. Elevate. Fire. I'm gonna start saying elevate after everyone, so
that we don't screw up like I did.
exactly. You're all good?
You're a good officer, Peter.
Make ready. Present. Elevate. Fire. Make ready. Present. Fire. Make ready. Present. Fire. Make ready. Present. Fire. Make ready. Present. Fire. This is the last one.
This will be the last one.
All right. Make ready. Present. Fire. That was such a depressing last one. Prime and load.
Remember, rear rank, you're firing over the right shoulder of the person in front of you. You can put your elbow onto their back, let them know
watch
you're
where you're
there.
pointing your
Not only
musket.
can you,
You're pointing
you
it towards
definitely
the camp.
should
Yes.
for the safety of yourself and
Yes.
others.
You still have one soldier loading.
Let's do a dry positioning first.
Yeah, no firing.
No firing. Let's just see what it looks like. Okay.
So will we be advancing or how? I was not told this drill.
Well, let's just do it from here. It's still a delaying tactic.
Yep.
So let's just do it from here.
Still
Fall
orderly
back.
retreat.
Okay. So dry fire.
Dry fire.
Make ready.
Click.
Present. Fire.
Boom.
Bang.
How did that look? I don't think you were far enough. I don't think he was far enough over my shoulder.
Hold. Back. Go back.
We're gonna do this until we get it perfect.
Until 4 o'clock.
That too.
Forearm should be on the back of the person in front of you.
Make ready.
Make ready.
Click.
Present. I want to feel your elbow.
Put your elbow on his shoulder.
There you go.
That way your musket is totally in front of him.
And fire.
Boom.
Now
Break off.
scooch floor forward.
Would it look better if us in the front kneel?
No,
don't kneel.
Don't kneel.
Don't kneel. Because then you have to stand up anyway.
Present. Fire.
Bang.
Bang.
Break off.
So I think we ought to. Everybody.
Is it a pretty dress?
You shouldn't be out if you don't have water on you.
Can you please?
Hey, shoulder to shoulder. Move in.
Yeah, shoulder to shoulder, what he said.
And 1 cubit's length from your file partner.
We all good? All right. Is this dry fire again, or
No, we'll do this for real.
live fire? Yep. All right.
We'll be first section, they'll be second section. So
All right.
us that way.
So do I?
Street drill by 2 ranks.
All right. Street drill by 2 ranks. So do I put
First section, make ready.
All right. First section, make ready. Present. Fire.
Nice. Forward.
First section, prime and load. Second section, make ready.
That's not good. What happened?
Present.
Still sharp?
Fire. Break off.
Thanks, Patrick.
Second section, prime and load. First section, make ready.
You got rounds?
Present.
Here, you have rounds? Okay.
Fire. Break off. First section, prime and load. Second section, make ready.
I'm out. You got me?
Present. Fire. Break off. Second section, prime and load.
You two. Shoulder to shoulder. It's important for safety. Touch each other. Yes.
First section, make ready. Present. Fire. Break off. First section, prime and load. Second section, make ready. Present. Fire. Break off. Second section, prime and load.
Dress.
Shoulder to shoulder.
Dress the column. First section, make ready. Present. Fire. Break off. First section, prime and load.
Next one.
Second section, make ready. Present. Fire. This is our last firing. This is my last round. This is the last time we're shooting.
I'm trying to. You guys are walking right in front of it.
Make ready. Present. Fire! Should we move into line for the securing the left face?
From column into line.
From column into line to the front. March.
Right with me.
First section.
And pass and file. Form line.
And
Dress.
dress. Is it?
And halt us.
Halt. Dress the line. Dress. So it is
Have a care that we got to secure. So open pans.
open pans.
Half cock firelocks.
Portez la fusil comme la prusse.
Secure file.
Secure your firelocks.
Ouch.
Yeah, I got some. Everything should come out. We need to bang them.
It's recovered, correct?
Shoulder.
Shoulder your firelocks.
Ouch. Hot. Burnt my ear.
Shut.
Shut hands.
Have a care to disperse.
Add care to disperse.
Firelock.
Boys, firelocks. Dismissed.
Nice. Good drill.